you are having a wonderful time getting ready for the holidays. I bet you're wondering where I've been. I had hoped to finish up the gratitude cards and then the 12 days of Christmas, and then I got sick. I got really sick. And I'm just beginning to feel 100% better. On top of that, just the stress of the holidays and everything, I just haven't felt inspired to turn on the camera and to art. And also I've been busy doing my family tree on Ancestry, and so I've been busy doing that and getting excited over the discoveries I've made and things like that. So that's why I haven't been on. You know, sometimes we need breaks from the things that we do a lot of, and I kind of needed that time to rest and get my energy back and, you know, get caught up on things. So anyways, I'm here to do my giant life, and this month's prompt is, we changed the prompts around a little bit, Eileen and I, and this is kind of like my giant adventure into the wild blue yonder kind of thing, where, you know, I'm not sure where I'm going on my next adventure. I hope that, you know, it's going to be fun. And art is also an adventure. You never know where a piece of art's going to take you. And so I'm going to do it on my giant size playing card. And I've got some pieces of map that I'm going to quickly speed through as I glue pieces of map onto this card. I've already roughed it up with a sanding block, and I put some clear gesso on it so it's nice and rough, so it has some tooth to it so that my papers will adhere to it. And I know that you've heard me say that a million times, those of you that have been watching me for a while, but those of you that are new to all of this, then this is what I do to prep my card. So I hope that you enjoy my adventure in my next giant adventure. All right, so thanks for watching. Nice and dry, and I've cut it to, you know, trim the edges off, and now I'm going to add some marks, and I hope that you'll enjoy my process as I finish up this card. did a spread for the explorations of me a while back, and I did something along the lines of travel. And as many of you know, if you've followed me enough, you know that I love the city of Paris, France. And so, of course, I got to do a theme, which is kind of funny because I've got Nevada, part of the state of Nevada in the background, and I've got parts of California here, I've got London here, I have some London here, and I've got parts of San Francisco here, Fisherman's Wharf. So yeah, so but I've been fortunate enough to have been able to travel to all these places. So, you know, travel for me, I've been very fortunate to be able to travel in my life, and hope to be able to do that again soon. Once my husband retires, we are hoping to take a few trips here and there, and hopefully one of them will be back to Europe. I haven't been to Europe in a long time, and I would love to go back and visit some of the places I have been to, but I would like to go to new places. And I've been able to trace back my ancestry, and I would love to go to the places where my ancestors came from. I think that would be very cool. I got it on pixabay.com. If you head on over there, they're copyright images, free to use. So I found a car that I liked. It's kind of like an open convertible, which would be a perfect thing to travel through Europe with, to see the sights. So I'm going to put that down here. And the stencils that I used are from Deco Art. One of them is Andy Skinner's line of stencils that are made by Deco Art for him that carry his name. And I think this one is too. I can't remember. So I hope that you enjoyed my take on this month's prompt, which is my giant adventure. And I hope that you will be inspired to go out and make your own card or journal page, art journal page, and that you'll share it on in my Facebook group. I'll post a link down in the bottom in the description box below to my Facebook group. And thanks again for watching. And next year I will not be continuing my giant life. I will be starting something else. So I hope that you will stick around and keep your eyes open for that. And thanks again for watching. It means a lot. Have a wonderful day. Bye. Toodles.